Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudone again with another KOFFI NOIR unboxing. Yes, I know it's been a little bit since I posted my last unboxing, but hey, here we are again with a mega order, I would say. In this order includes some client orders, of course, and some new samples that we wanted to, sort of debut or test out. Actually, quite frankly, it's going on the website, so you'll be able to purchase these particular shoes as well. As you guys know, last month I launched the Aya penny loafer. That was very important because I have had a lot of women clientele that have asked, like, hey, do you have shoes specifically for women? And of course, I had to oblige, right? Because I've been getting these comments now for several months, actually. So I wanted to start off with the Aya penny loafer, and I must say it was a success indeed. Yes, they're able to accommodate, folks' need, the community's need. So with that, I am going to be debuting two pairs of women style sneakers, more so to fit the silhouette of the foot. Our Sekou trainer. Folks have ordered those. Some women have ordered those shoes and kind of complained about the toe box area being a little bit wide and things like that. So, wanted to test out, some more women style silhouette for women's feet or whatnot. So without further ado, we're going to dive in real quick. Boom. So like our Sekou trainer, or whatnot, this is similar. It's a trainer type tennis sneaker, and I wanted to try some funky looking things on here. As you guys can see here, we have a patina leather tongue. We have some suede here. Actually, we got multiple types of suede actually. So I have this regular green suede around this toe box area, and then we have a khaki waxed suede, so it's almost like it's water repellent. So if you were to spill some type of liquid or water or anything on it, it'll roll right off. So also we have the suede heel tab, and yeah, these look kind of funky. I think they're dope, and these will be available on the website for purchase for sure. So yeah, y'all tell me in the comments what y'all think about these. This shoe is a size 8 in women's. So yeah, as you guys can imagine, I understand that, women's sizing is a little bit different than men's sizing. So I want to make sure I had some version of, the Sekou trainer. Actually, I think I haven't decided a name for this sneaker, but I think I'm going to name it. I'm going to give it a different name. But yeah, y'all take a good look at this. Yeah, I really like this sneaker for sure. It's super dope. Yeah. All right. And then I made this embossed crocodile version as well. Boom. Yeah, this shoe right here is phenomenal. It looks dope. I like everything about it. I do wish, however, actually there is one thing that, it's nitpicking, but I think as you guys can see here on the heel tab, it's patent leather. I think I should have, the toe box here, I should have made this patent leather also. But I want to experiment with the suede. So I have, again, this black wax suede tongue in the toe bed area here, and then I have what we call our luxe suede. So I have two different types of suede right here. Just wanted to really experiment with the different textures and things like that. And then also you have here the embossed crocodile on the upper, so you guys can see it. Yeah, it is beautiful. Yeah, for the most part, I'm super satisfied how these turned out and whatnot. And I'm pretty sure the ladies, once I put these up, y'all requested, I answered, and yeah, I look forward to having some other designs coming down, you know, over the next couple months as well. So, but yeah, boom. Yeah, these are nice. And I have a client's order here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one. Boom. As you guys know, this is our Kwesi Belgian sneaker. Just in time for the summertime as well. Yeah, came out super dope. A client of ours requested a leopard upper, of course, with the black suede panel here. And what we have here, we have a embossed crocodile bow, actually. It's kind of dope, actually. Yeah. So this is a great springtime, summertime sneaker. Of course, he wanted a black sole, so we're able to do that for him. Yeah, they came out really nice. And again, like I tell you guys, if you guys see some shoes on the website that you really like, and you don't see the, you know, you want to customize it, or you know, do something different to it, all you have to do is email us at info@koffinoir.com, and pretty much, you know, we can start that design process of actually designing a one-of-one shoe, you know, that meets your needs or whatnot. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are not going to have this sneaker. Well, after my boy rocks them, you know, it's probably will probably be a lot of requests coming in for this sneaker. But of course, yeah, it turned out really nice. You guys can see the suede. Yeah. Yes. Boom. You got the leopard all the way around. Again, my sneakers are cement glued and hand stitched. You know, just the overall quality, you know, is amazing. And yeah, when you purchase a pair of shoes from us, you're getting something that is top notch. But with that being said, thank you everyone for checking out this unboxing. You know, I'm very excited. Summer is right around the corner. A lot of big things are coming up for us at KOFFI NOIR, and you know, we're looking forward to, you know, building this shoe brand brick by brick. You know, and you know, welcome to our community. Again, for inquiries, if you're interested in, you know, maybe setting up a style curation service with us, because we do personal styling as well, or you just want to get you a pair of custom shoes, again, you can email us at info@koffinoir.com, and yeah, and we'll get back to you within a day or so. Also, you know, you guys can find us on the website at koffinoir.com. I am going to be posting all of these on the website, so you know, if you guys like what you see in this video, you'll most definitely be able to find these on the website for purchase. Yeah, these came out real nice. Look at that. So yeah. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.